From bedsheets that are basically unbreakable to crazy tech inventions, truck gadgets have been making our lives a lot easier. These are the cool new inventions for pickup trucks that you should definitely know about. First up is something special from a well-known company, Load Sheet. Load sheet manufacturers decided to keep things straightforward, ditching the fancy metal frames and offering up a super easy mounting solution that's a breeze to slap on. We're talking just a minute, folks. This bad boy extends your cargo bed's usable length by either 1.6 or a whopping 2.4 meters, giving you all the extra space you need to haul your gear without breaking a sweat. And get this, when you're not loading up, it folds away all nice and tidy under the rear seat, keeping your ride looking sleek and streamlined. Now, for those who need the ultimate in cargo space, the 2.4 meter version is up for grabs at just $210. That's a steal for the peace of mind, knowing you've got all the room you need for your next adventure. If you like this and want more, then we have just the thing for you. Cargo Glide. Boost your efficiency with Cargo Glide's revolutionary sliding system, engineered to handle a whopping 998 kilograms of cargo. And guess what? It all kicks off at just $1,400, making it a total steal for the value it brings to your table. But hold on to your seats, because we're not done yet. Load It. This is your go-to solution for hauling all your watercraft and cargo with ease. Load It has revolutionized the game with a range of lifts designed to handle everything from sleek aluminium boats to kayaks and more. And get this, the top-of-the-line lift can handle a whopping 1,134 kilograms, like it's no big deal. Need to stash some gear on your truck bed too? Load It's got your back. So why settle for anything less when you can load it up and hit the road with confidence? Rough Country Bed Mount Spare Tire Carrier. This is not your typical setup hanging off the back or tucked under the trunk. No, it's proudly displayed right in the truck bed. Sure, it eats up a bit of space, but think about it. No extra weight hanging off the side and zero chance of scraping it up underneath. This bad boy can handle wheels up to a whopping 40 inches, and when you have to swap out that spare, it's a breeze to do. Plus, it's priced at $200, which isn't too shabby for the peace of mind it brings. Mobile Strong Truck Bed Storage. Introducing Mobile Strong Truck Bed Storage, perfect for keeping your firearms and gear secure. Mounted over the wheel arches, they utilize previously unused space for enhanced security. You can even add a code panel for extra protection. With a capacity of up to 159 kilograms, these safes pack a punch, and starting at just $1,085, it's a steal for the value you get out of them. Tune M1. If you're in the pickup truck game and want an outdoor tuning camper, this is going to blow your mind. Picture this, you're sitting pretty in your truck, and with the Tune M1, you get a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Plus, there's ample lighting and a plush 10cm mattress for those nights under the stars. And here's the kicker, you can customize this baby to suit your needs. Lightweight? You betcha! It's only adding a meager 163 kilograms to your truck's total weight. But hold on to your hats, because these bad boys' prices kick off at $13,000. But trust me, with all the bells and whistles this camper has to offer, it's worth every penny. So if you're ready to take your camping game to the next level, the Tune M1 is calling your name. But if you want something else that goes with that, then check this out. Flog Bumpers. Alright, buckle up folks, because I'm about to introduce you to the holy grail of truck bumpers. Flog Bumpers. It is a custom-made bumper, crafted from tough-as-nails materials like carbon steel, ready to take on whatever the road throws at them. And the best part? They're kicking things off at just $2,750. When it comes to protecting your pickup truck, these bad boys don't mess around. We're talking next-level durability and top-notch craftsmanship, designed to keep your ride looking sleek and pristine, no matter what kind of off-road adventure you're diving into. So, if you're tired of worrying about scratches, dings, and dents ruining your truck's aesthetic, it's time to level up with Flog Bumpers. Trust me, once you've experienced the peace of mind and rugged style these babies bring to the table, you'll never look back. Cowtoown Sleeper. These bad boys are changing the game for weary travelers. Picture this, you're out on the open road, and the cozy comforts of a hotel bed are just a distant memory. That's where Cowtoown Sleepers swoop in to save the day. Behind the wheel of one of these babies, you're rolling in style and comfort. Take the Roadrunner edition for example. It's like stepping into your own private oasis on wheels, with a cozy cocoon measuring in at a whopping 190.5 centimeters long. That's more than enough legroom to stretch out and catch some sleep, no matter how tall you are. Prices for their top-notch products start at just $3,900, making them a no-brainer for anyone who needs them. Circle our truck bed extender. If you're on the hunt for a solid truck bed extender and the first one we showed you doesn't float your boat, then this will, because Circle R just dropped another gem that extends your truck bed platform by a whopping 2.4 or 3 meters, giving you all the space you need to haul your gear. And get this, it plays nice with most of the big dogs in the pickup game, like Ford, Chevy, and more. Now here's the kicker. Circle R breaks it down into 3 easy-to-handle parts, each weighing in at around 18 kilograms. So even if you're flying solo, you won't break a sweat setting this baby up. Plus, with a price tag of just $300, it's a steal for the value it brings to the table. But if what you're looking for is not just an extender, and you want something more versatile, then we found another gem for you. Limitless Tailgate Step. They've gone above and beyond on this one to deliver what we've all been waiting for, a universal tailgate step that's as versatile as it gets. And guess what? The results are nothing short of spectacular. Picture this, a tailgate step that's built to handle the heavy lifting, boasting a whopping load capacity of 120 kilograms. That's like having the strength of a heavyweight champ right at your fingertips. But wait, it gets even better. This bad boy folds down to an ultra-slim 40mm, making it sleek and streamlined when not in use. And get this folks, it's so easy to operate, you can do it with just one hand. Talk about convenience on steroids. But hold on to your hats, because there's more. As if being a top-notch tailgate step wasn't enough, this beauty pulls double duty by transforming into an extended truck bed tailgate. It's like having 2 game-changing features rolled into one sleek package. And the best part? You can snag this game-changer for just $1,588. Yeah, you heard that right. So why wait? Sure, the price, we have to be honest, is totally worth it. But if you want something for less, then check this out. Traxion Tailgate Ladder. This is the ultimate solution for seamless access to your truck bed. Priced at a mere $53, this bad boy boasts a rugged design that can effortlessly support up to 136 kilograms of weight. It's like having a reliable sidekick that's always got your back when you need it most. Rough Country Powered Retractable Bed Covers. We all know the struggle of keeping our precious cargo safe and sound in the back of our trucks, right? Whether you're tearing up those rugged dirt trails or cruising through the urban jungle, you've got to keep your gear locked down tight to avoid any mishaps or sticky-fingered troublemakers. That's where these bad boys come in. These protective covers are the real deal, and let me tell you, they're worth every penny of that $2,700 price tag. With their slick electric drive system, you can easily pop them open or shut them tight right from the comfort of your driver's seat. Plus, they're as versatile as they come, locking into place at any position you need them to be. And let's talk durability. These covers mean business. Crafted from tough as nails aluminium, they're built to take whatever Mother Nature throws their way, all while keeping your gear safe and sound from any would-be bandits. Aero X. MVS has your back when it comes to boosting your pickup's aerodynamics. The Aero X cap is their brainchild, seamlessly attached to your cargo box for easy access, complete with gas shocks. Upgrade options include a rear spoiler or a killer sound system for extra flair. Initially for the Ford F-150, but more versions are in the work for Chevrolet, Ram, Toyota, and Nissan. And the best part? You can get the F-150 version for just $7,500. Don't settle for the ordinary, go Aero X and stand out on the road. Custom Ford Transformer Chase Truck F-250 Super Duty. You have to look at this bad boy, the custom Ford Transformer Chase Truck F-250 Super Duty, straight out of the DeBerti Design Lab. This truck ain't messing around, boasting a mind-blowing 900 horsepower engine under the hood. But wait, there's more. Tucked away under those sleek fenders, you've got secret compartments for all your tools. And get this, when you pop the rear bumper, bam, there's a whole welding machine tucked in there ready to roll. Plus, the DeBerti crew didn't stop there. They decked out this beast with some serious wheels, slapping on rugged 17-inch discs wrapped in beefy 37-inch BF Goodrich KR2 tires. This ain't your grandpa's pickup truck, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, check out our channel. See you there!